Hey everyone, have you ever wondered when cleaning first began? Today I'm taking you on a fascinating journey through time to discover the origins of cleaning. It all started thousands of years ago with ancient civilizations. The Mesopotamians around 3000 BC were among the first to value cleanliness. They used simple tools like brooms made from twigs to sweep their homes, and they even had early forms of soap. These were made from water, alkali, and cassia oil. Fast forward to ancient Egypt. Egyptians were obsessed with hygiene. They believed cleanliness was next to godliness. They bathed daily in the Nile River and used a mix of animal and vegetable oils to keep their skin clean and moisturized. Talk about ancient spa treatments. Then there were the Romans. These guys took things to a whole new level. Public baths were a big part of Roman life. Imagine going to a luxurious spa every day. They had heated floors, steam rooms, and even communal toilets. Sometimes cleaning isn't just about hygiene, it's about socializing too. During the Middle Ages, things took a dark turn. With the fall of the Roman Empire, the importance of cleanliness declined. People believed that water could carry diseases, so they avoided bathing. This led to the spread of plagues and other illnesses. Yikes! Thankfully, the Renaissance brought a renewed interest in personal hygiene. People began to bathe more frequently and use scented soaps. The wealthy even had their own private baths. A clean body was seen as a sign of a healthy mind and soul. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution changed everything. Mass production of soap and cleaning supplies made them affordable and accessible to everyone. This era also saw the rise of public health initiatives. Clean streets and clean homes became a priority. Today, cleaning has become a sophisticated science. We have an array of tools and products designed to keep our homes and environment sparkling clean. From vacuum cleaners to eco-friendly cleaning sprays, there's something for everyone. So next time you pick up that broom or mop, remember, you're part of a long tradition that goes back thousands of years. Cleaning isn't just a chore, it's a journey through time. Thanks for joining me on this historical adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. See you next time.